ଜୟ ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ। ଏଇ ଯେଉଁ ଏପିସୋଡ଼ରେ ମୁଁ କମର୍ସ ପିଲାଙ୍କର ଲଙ୍ଗ୍ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ବିଷୟରେ କହିବି। ତାଙ୍କ ଯେଉଁ 4ଟି ଲଙ୍ଗ୍ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ପଢ଼ୁଛି ସେ ଲଙ୍ଗ୍ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ବିଷୟରେ କହିବି। Answer any 3 of the following questions. There are 5 long questions that will come in the exam and you have to answer any 3 of the following 5 questions. Each question fetches 8 mark. So the first important question is that explain the law of diminishing marginal utility. Explain the law of diminishing marginal utility. The second important question is what is human want? What are the characteristics of human want? This is the most important questions from Unit 1. The third one is what are the central problems of an economy? This is the second important questions that questions has every chance of coming in your examinations. Another question is explain the scope of economics. What are the scope of economics? The one is your scope of economics. The second is your characteristics of human want. The third is your economics is a science of choice. Explain. That is scarcity definitions of Professor Robbins. From second unit, the most important question is explain the law of diminishing marginal utility. The second one is explain the law of demand. The third one is what is elasticity of demand and what are the different factors determining the price, determining the value of price elasticity of demand. Another question from that unit, that is what are the different method of measuring price elasticity of demand. So these are the important questions from Unit 1 and Unit 2. From third unit, the very important question, that is explain the law of variable proportion. That question is very important. Explain the law of variable proportion, or that question may come in another way. Explain the law of diminishing return. So this is very important question, student. You should prepare these questions. That is from third unit. From fourth unit, the most important questions are, the most important question is the average variable cost curve or average cost curve is U set. Explain. The second is explain the relationship between average cost and marginal cost. The third one is explain the law of supply. The fourth one is what are the different cost concepts. So these are the important questions from Unit 4. Unit 5 question, now we'll discuss the important long question from Unit 5. The first one is that what are the define perfect competition and discuss its various features. Define monopoly and discuss its various features. Define monopolistic competition and discuss its various features. And the another question, that question has already been in the exam 2023. That will repeat this question, may repeat that question. Explain how price is determined under perfect competition. That is repeat questions. Then the next important chapter, important unit, that is Unit 6. In Unit 6, distinguish between microeconomics and macroeconomics. Then we'll discuss another unit, explain that is 7th unit, relation in determination. Explain Keynes' general theory of income determination, or what is effective demand, what are different instruments. This is important question from unit 7. National income determination, or what is the relationship between the GDP and the GNP. Another question may come, define national income. Then we will discuss the last chapter, that is money making and public finance and budget. So the important question is, what are the functions of money? Very, very important. What are the functions of money? The second one is, what are the functions of commercial banks? The third important is, distinguish between public finance and private finance. And the last important question is, what is deficit budget? Give your viewpoint for and against deficit budget. Or what is balanced budget? Give your viewpoint for and against balanced budget. So these are the long questions, important long questions from all these units that will come in the commerce plus 2 second year commerce examination. You should prepare all these questions. These questions are very important, and that will every possibility of coming in the examinations.